Black Friday 2022. Karcog folding bed with mattress, rollaway bed storage cover included. When is Black Friday is an annual event just for well known that it is shopping time on. And this year Amazon have selected many products for the shoppers from small businesses and top brands. Beat the holiday hustle and shop for everyone on your list during Black Friday. Happy everyone on Black Friday this year. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Tip for buy, bookmark link in YouTube description and check back for new all details every day. Can't wait? Click Shop Black Friday for all of our present details. If you want to get highlight features and full review of Karcog folding bed with mattress, please visit the link in YouTube description. Why you choose Karcog rollaway bed? The bed frame features a sturdy steel construction that provides optimal support, accommodates different body types, not noisy or creaky. Strong support and none of sagging. The comfortable memory foam mattress gets an excellent night's sleep experience for you or your guest. The mattress is not too soft, not too hard, everything is just right. The mattress includes a removable washable ultra-soft cover, and the cover has two Velcro straps that attached to your frame, keep the mattress not to move when you sleep in the bed. Quick and easy assembly. With the illustrated manual and labeled parts, the bed can be set up within 5 to 15 minutes. All necessary hardware and tools are included. The foldable design won't take up too much space. Simply unfold the rollaway bed in any room, mobile home, office, then folds neatly away for storage in seconds. Lockable wheels and anti-slip rubber pads keep the frame from moving or slipping and enhance stability. And if you do not understand, not sure or have questions, you can leave questions in the comments box. In addition, if you think our channel that's something useful for you, please press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.